What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, a long while, but anyways, I'm here, you're here, that's what counts. I'm glad you showed up, glad you're watching this video. Before I forget, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Hit that subscribe button down below, leave me a comment. As you've seen in the title, this is going to be a little homemade way to clean out your fuel injectors. This isn't perfect. Definitely the way I'm doing it could be better, could have a little more power going to it. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. I know my garage is a mess, don't worry about it. Got stuff from the wedding around, furniture that I'm trying to sell, old TV because we upgraded. Obviously the Mustang's not here, it's outside. Maybe I'll throw in a little clip of it before the end of this video, we'll see. It's like 10:30 at night, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so how to clean your fuel injectors. Here's my fuel injectors. These are the FOMO, which is, you know, a good brand for it, the Ford ones. And if you remember correctly, I switched the ones in my car back to the stock style ones. These are the upgraded style, that's why it has this adapter at the end of it. But those are cheaper, shittier. I just want to see how it was, and just to get by, give me enough time to clean these. So here we are, we're going to clean them up. The outside's pretty dirty. First, we're going to clean the insides. I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. Obviously, like I said, it's not perfect. It's not the best way, but in your garage, cheap, easy way to do it. Then after we get done cleaning the inside, I'm going to go ahead and clean the outside and the electrical. It's all nasty and sticky and ugh. So, here's my one that I already started cleaning, the inside of it. Got it hooked up to some Alligator clips for the wires. Got an on-off switch. You don't have to, just makes life easier doing it like this. Get yourself a bucket, at least this deep, if not deeper, just because there will be splatter. Got some Carb Cleaner, and what I'm using for power is a Trickle charger. Now obviously you could use a little more power than this. This isn't really going to give it that much power, but it does give it up enough to open up and allow the Carb Cleaner to flow through the injector, which I'm just trying to clean up what little bit is in there. I'm not trying to make it perfect. If I wanted it perfect, I would go pay someone a couple $100 to do it. If it even is a couple $100, I really don't know. But I'm cheap. This is my cheap way to do it. Okay, I already checked to make sure it was getting power. It's getting power. It's good to go. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a little bit of Carb Cleaner, pour it in here. Just try to slowly pour it in there. And now it's filled up. I'm going to turn it on. Yeah, it was enough in there. See it coming out. Now if you don't have power going to it, it won't come out inside. It won't open it up to let the Carb Cleaner flow all the way through it. So just make sure you clean it out good enough. If you want to spray the outside a little bit, you can. And of course, whenever you go to reinstall these, you get new O-rings for them. Which obviously I'm not going to install them right now, or today, or tomorrow. Okay. That one's good. I'm going to turn off the power. Unhook this one. Put it over in a clean pile. And get another one. Ew. I cleaned this bucket out too before I started this video. Now granted, a lot of that dirt and gunk came off the side of them, but definitely was some that came off from inside of them. That's the clean ones. They look better. These are the non-clean ones. Yeah. So I'm going to keep on going. I'll turn this back on when I get to another point. Okay, got all those ones done over there. Let me just show you real quick what I do. I'm just trying to clean these out, especially since I use these adapters on the end to run the power. I want to try to clean up some of that carb cleaner off of this, and these are pretty nasty anyways. So I got some electrical clean. Just go like that. Got me a new towel, rag, and then just go ahead and wipe the whole thing off. Don't use any rag because you don't want any anything to fall off the rag. So use a nice new clean rag. Even a microfiber one will work. Something just to be able to clean it up. Now, of course, they don't have to be perfect. So that can go in that pile, and then all I do for the injector is just clean the connector part. So there's what's left of everything, all the gunk and junk and dirt, and there's all 8 injectors cleaned, good to go, and the connectors clean, good to go. The only reason why I'm running these connectors is because I have to run them in order to run these injectors, because these are the newer style injectors versus the old style that originally comes with a 2-valve Mustang. There you go. Now, like I said in the beginning of this video, this is not the best way or perfect way to clean injectors. If that's the case and you're worried about that, then go take it to somebody that has the tools and can actually really run it through it at the rate it's supposed to, and they can even flow chart it to see what it was flowing before they cleaned it and after they cleaned it. If you want to pay somebody to go do that, by all means, please go ahead and go do that. Real quick, I know I said it once in the video, but I do want to make a point that anytime you take out and remove your fuel injectors, you order or get new O-rings for the top and bottom. You don't never want to reuse your same O-rings for your fuel injectors. You could, and it might work, but why risk it? Just go ahead, get a whole new pack, call it a day, good to go. And that's your tip of the day. Now that that's done, I can do a little talking. So, if you don't already know, I got married back in October. A wonderful wedding. Turned out good. Went on my honeymoon into the Carolinas, North Carolina, up in the mountains, where I usually go. Love the mountains. Ended up coming back. Had Thanksgiving and Christmas, all the holidays. Ended up going back up to the Carolinas in the beginning of January. Hoping to see some snow. Didn't happen. Still got to do some snow tubing and stuff like that. That worked out pretty nice. So now here I am back in the garage trying to get things going. So YouTube's been a slow go. I hate to put you guys on the back burner, but I hope you can understand. I know I said it at the beginning of the video, but please, 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 go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Hell, even if you didn't like it, just help support me. Helps me grow. Leave a comment down below. If you're a hater, hit that X button. Share this video. Pass it along, please. Till next time, peace.